Yo, hello guys, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to share your Spotify Wrapped on any platform you want. So, for example, let's show you how to share it on Messenger or Instagram or Snapchat or whatever it is. So, first of all, please make sure that your Spotify is downloaded like so. And if you don't have it downloaded, just go to your App Store from here. And here you can go to search. And from here you can just write Spotify. And just like so, you can download it from here. And if for those who has it downloaded already, just make sure that you have updated it to the latest versions. And for those who has the problem of the wrap doesn't showing up in here, you can just go ahead and open deleting the app and re-download it, or just open your settings, go to your general, and then from iPhone storage, and then search for your Spotify in here. And just like so, from here you can just click on offload app and it will be ready for you to use. Now let's go ahead and click on Spotify, and now let's make sure that our wrap is showing up. Please make sure that your account also is connected, and then click on here. Okay, let's mute this video. So as you can see, we can't really share the first story, so we can go directly to the second one. And just like so, we will wait a little bit until it's past the middle, and just like so we will be able to share it. As you can see, we click on share this story, and from here you can share it on your WhatsApp, your stories on Instagram, messages like directs in Instagram, Messenger, your feed on Facebook, your stories on Facebook, even Twitter, Snapchat, messages, or even more like so, after clicking more, or just like by copying the link, or just by like you can just download the story itself. So yeah, that was the tutorial for today guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.